Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your LinkedIn profile step by step clearly. To recover your LinkedIn profile, start by navigating to the LinkedIn website. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. When prompted, enter the email address associated with your LinkedIn account. If you can't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. You will be asked to enter the email address you used for your LinkedIn account once again. After entering your email, click the Request Password Reset button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from LinkedIn. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folders. Open the email and click on the link to reset your password. You will be redirected to a new page where you can create a new password. Once you've entered your new password, click the Submit button. Now, return to the LinkedIn sign-in page and enter your email and new password. After signing in, you may want to update your profile information. Look for any alerts or messages prompting you to verify your identity. Follow any additional steps provided to secure your account. If your account was previously restricted, follow the instructions to appeal the restriction. Complete any security questions or verification processes if required. Once you've successfully accessed your profile, take a moment to review your settings. Ensure your personal information and preferences are current and accurate. Finally, revisit your recent activity, connections, and endorsements. This will help you fully reclaim your presence on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.